What's going on, guys? It's Luke here. We had one eval win, which is unintentional, and then we ended up getting a break-even trade after that. Here are the execution. So this was the winning trade, again, unintentional, and then this one was the break-even over here. So basically what happened was this first trade, I'll run through first, and I'll explain, but I go more in depth in the YouTube video. So if you guys want to check that out, YouTube name will be in the comments. I'll drop that. So basically, price at market open just kept running up, and I was waiting for some type of retracement from here. So basically, on the 1 minute, we had an SMT off these highs. So as you can see on this first trade to the left right here, NQ made a higher high, ES made a lower high, and we ended up getting a 1 minute shift. We had a 1 minute bearish fair value gap, and I ended up taking the entry there, and I wanted to see price run down and tag the true day open. So which ended up getting taken right there. That's that little green line, if you guys can see. So basically I took this on eval and funded. I ended up closing the trade break even on eval because I just didn't like how price was moving, and then I forgot and I actually ended up leaving it open on eval, so I ended up taking the win there, and I manually closed it at true day open. So again, small SMT off the highs. We had a 1 minute fair value gap getting retested. I wanted to see a retracement back down to rebalance the leg because we were super overextended to the upside, as you can see, and we ended up taking full take profit at the true day open, which was literally the bottom before it continued to push up from there. Then from there, we had the 2.5 on the standard deviation leg from right before market open down there around 9. It's hard to show on this phone, but anyway, we hit the 2.5, and I was basically, again, looking for price to run through and take out the sell side. On top of that, we were also forming an SMT off the highs. NQ had made a higher high, and if you look at ES at the same time, ES had made a lower high and was failing to take out the highs. So therefore, I figured ES was going to pull NQ down lower. So from there, I scaled down after we hit the 2.5, and I looked for 30-second confirmation. Basically just took a quick entry on the 30-second after I seen that we were rejecting and pushing lower. And I ended up putting stops above the highs, which gave us about a 7-point. I think I had it as a 10-point on the actual thing. I actually marked it as a 10-point, but regardless, I want to see these lows end up getting taken out down here, this swing low and this swing low. So we ended up getting a good bit into profit, and then price ended up just reversing on us, and then from there just ended up chopping. It would have stopped us out anyway before it ran down. So those are the two trades today, just trying something different. Again, first trade was an unintentional win. Again, I closed it out on funded, and then I forgot to close it on eval because I had it on my phone, so I completely forgot because I was on my computer. So that ended up playing out off the small S&T 1 minute fair value gap and targeting true day open. And the second trade was off that 2.5. We took entry confirmation on the 30-second. And main idea, again, was to see this leg get rebalanced. Wanted to see those lows get taken out, but unfortunately, we were taking out break even. Again, obviously didn't go heavy on the risk on this one, so I did want to see this one pull lower. But is what it is. We'll be back tomorrow for the end of the week. Full recap on YouTube right now, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.